Welcome. Today, half yearly examination 2025 subject finance is first year district wise question paper it is. In Udalguri district question paper, full mark hall 50 pass mark hobo 17 time 2 hours question pattern ekhon ha okor yate no ha ei financial question paper first year second year jetu maximum chapter keta eke thake question number 1 to 28 hol MCQ questions tar piso 21 or 2 mark question 22 3 mark question 23 5 mark question 3 answer দিব লাগে আমি question যা আজি এটো ভিডিওত MCQ গুটে answer থাকিব তার মানে গুটে questionৰ answer তো দিয়া হ'ব স্টার্ট কৰো আমি MCQ jodni ke OMR sheet use koribo diya hoy question number 1 finance is namely concerned with the money and its management a hobo yar answer to question number 2 which of the following is Central Bank of India Reserve Bank of India D hobo question number 3 which of the following is short term source of finance bank overdraft hobo A question number 4 which is called the lender of last resort Reserve Bank of India hobo B question number 5 which one of the following is not branch of Reserve Bank of India means kun kon Bharatiya Reserve Bank or branch no hoy haka no hoy hetu hobo Ahom means 5 C question number 6 Reserve Bank of India introduced banking ombudsman scheme in the years 1995 A hobo ya direct question question number 7 which one is not included in scheduled private sector concern private sector commercial bank to nohoy boli koar loge B C D ase tar mane A hobo yar answer 7 or answer question number 8 which of the following is non banking financial institution LIC question number 8 or B question number 9 or the primary function of commercial bank is accept B hobo yar answer accepting deposit and granting loan question number 10 financial system mainly deals with mobilization and allocation of India 8 hobo 10 C question number 11 treasury bill are part of money market 11 A question number 12 the main regulatory body of capital market in India is SEBI Securities Exchange Board of India question number 13 RBI Act was passed in the year 1934 A hobo yar answer 1935 established hoisil RBI but Act pass hoisil 1934 question number 14 the main objective of RRB means regional rural bank etu hobo provide banking facility in rural area 14 B question number 15 Bank of Madras was established in the year 1843 15 C hoy answer question number 16 Reserve Bank of India nationalized for January 1949 to second year thakibo etu question number 17 in 1969 how many commercial bank were nationalized 14 yar answer to thakibo lage 14 ase yar a hobo answer 14 question number 18 over facilities allowed borrowing more than deposited balance question 18 or B hobo question number 19 credit creation is done by the commercial bank 19 C hobo actually etu second year asil last year ahisil HS first year final question number 20 development bank are also called ami sabo lagibe commercial bank no hoy C cooperative bank no hoy central bank no hoy so direct answer hobo B karon A C aru D jodi no hoy tetia yar answer to B e hoday hoy mane jetu G e thakuk tak likha question number 20 B hobo specialized financial market no hoy market thai institution thakibo lagisil question number 21 2 mark question 5 ta bitor pora je kono 3 ta dibo lage question number 22 anything from the A B C D question number 23 anything from the following 5 mark question etu asile etu ase 5 ta bitor pora je kono তিনটা লিখিব লাগে ইয়াৰ এনসার নাও 46 মানে কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 2 এ এনসার হয় সেভিং ব্যাংক এটো আসলে ফাংশন রিজন রুরাল ব্যাংকৰ ফাংশন আছিল দুটা কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 2 বি এটো আসলে কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 2 সি এর আনসার feature of finance just the name of two international bank it was some international bank name International Bank for Reconstruction Development International Development Association question number 2 last question C your answer Imperial Bank or question number 22A difference between the Commercial Bank and Reserve Bank of India it will hold difference ji kono 3 difference 3 marker hoy question number 22B function of agriculture bank it will hold function full form Exim Bank and function of Exim Bank question number 22D objective of Regional Rural Bank question number 22E difference between the scheduled bank and non-scheduled bank question number 23 5 mark হয় ইয়াৰ পৰা যিকোনো তিনটা আনসার দিব লাগে কোশ্চেনটো একেবাৰে ইজি সো ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন আছিলে explain the role of financial system in economy development in India তার আনসারটো ইখিন question number 23 আসলে B discuss the general utility function of a bank general utility function একেবারে ইজি এটো accepting deposit opening bank account এগিলাই থাকিব এটো ইয়াৰ আনসারটো এটো এইখানে হ'ব accepting deposit granting loan সব এটো opening a account of the bank এগিলা হ'ব utility function of a bank ইয়াত কোশ্চেনত এটো খোদা নাই যে কমার্শিয়াল ব্যাংক না রিজার্ভ ব্যাংক কি ব্যাংক এটো বুলি কোৱা না এই কারণে তার সিম্পল आंसर হবো নাম্বার 23D traditional function of RBI 1 issue of currency 2 the bankers and debt manager to the government C bankers bank and lenders of last resort ইয়াৰ পিছত 4 number monetary authority and controller actually ইয়াৰ 5 number আছে 5 পইণ্টতকে বেছি লিখিব লাগিব যেনেকৈ 5 পইণ্টতকে বেছি আছে ইয়াতে 6 পইণ্ট আছে 5 নম্বৰৰ সো 6 পইণ্ট লিখিবই লাগিব ফুল মার্ক পাব হলে ডেভেলপমেন্ট ব্যাংক অফ ইন্ডিয়া ইয়াত মিনিং আছিল লাস্ট কোশ্চেন 22 5 মার্কৰ আছিল ইয়াৰ পিছত দিয়া হৈছিল characteristics of development bank actually characteristics যদি নাই ইয়াত তো characteristics of development bank 1 2 এইগিটাই লিখিব লাগিব সো মিনিমাম 4 characteristics or 3 characteristics হবই লাগিব আজি 2025 or financial question paper HS first year or half yearly etu solve asile question thank you